byonna ebimusomoza aitato bijjewo mukama yakukyalize alinawe we gonna go from local to international.
Celebrating your birthdays as time goes by means a lot to me, more than it means to you. Because I appreciate your life, I think, more than you appreciate it for yourself, because I learn more from you being alive and from your experiences.
Nebaza Katonda kino olunaku bwe luti lwakya myaka 39 egiyise olwaleero omukyala gwe bayita Mangalita Nalunkuma nanzaala banzaalira mu lutalo.
Tugenda kubala
abasatu abo
bwe tutoka ku Uganda nozanga tusala siwe waawo. Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey. Happy birthday to you.
Nyabo vayo.
Kuluno ndowooza tugenda kubala kasita tuwulira 18th nga tusala 10, 15, 18th. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.